back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is super exciting because I'm doing my first ever giveaway in collaboration with The Vegan Box. I actually did a video unboxing one of their boxes a couple of months back. I will link that video up here if you want to check it out. But today I have just received the September box, and this is what is going to be given away as the giveaway. So I'm going to unbox mine and show you exactly what I got, but each box does differ slightly. So if you end up winning this competition, your box might be slightly different, but it's basically the same thing. It is super exciting, and I just want to say a massive thank you to The Vegan Box for collaborating with me on this giveaway. I'm so excited, and let's jump straight into opening up the box. So here is the box. If you guys don't know about The Vegan Box already, it's basically a box subscription service. So if you subscribe to the monthly subscription, you will get a box sent in the mail to your house every month, and they're full of different vegan treats and a lot of different things actually. I'm super excited for this one, and I'll talk more about the giveaway at the end, so stay tuned for that. But firstly, I'm just going to take you through what is in the box. So firstly, we have some ginger candy. I've never actually had this before, so I'd be interested to try it. So we got that. Then, ooh, this is a vegan eco food wrap. That's so cool. I've actually been looking at, like, there's like beeswax wraps, but obviously like that uses products from bees. So I wonder what this is made from. It says no animal products were used in the manufacturing of this wrap. It's basically so you don't have to use cling wrap. So I'm super excited to use this. It's got a cute little ducky pattern, which is very cute. I'll definitely be using that later. Then we have, ooh, a chocolate bar. I love chocolate. This one, it says it is caramel and sea salt. Definitely be having that later. Ooh, this is very interesting. This is a vegan meat mix. So I guess you just mix it with water or something. Yeah, okay. Mix it with water, and then you could also add in some herbs and spices if you want. And then you can make like schnitzels and stuff. That's so cool. I've never actually made like my own vegan meat before. I just usually, like use beans or tofu or stuff instead. So that'll be interesting to try. Then there's this little power cube. I think it's like a little brownie kind of thing, like little snack, which would be super handy for when I'm out and about and need a little snack. And then here we have a probiotic nut bar. I just love trying new things. Obviously, like, you're not gonna like, or you might like all of them, but you might not like every single thing that you try, but it's just always good to try new brands, so then you know what you like and you can, find new things. So there's that one. And then, this is actually so handy. I literally ran out of floss yesterday, and this is floss, like tooth floss. That's so funny. It says it's plant-based floss, crisp mint flavor with soothing coconut oil. I actually didn't realize that like regular floss isn't vegan, but that's actually so handy. Does that ever happen to you? Like you literally run out of something and then you get something? That's so handy. And then this is just a little card for like the Raw Treats brand, which looks really cute. Oh, and you get 15% off with this code, which is really cool. And then they have a little Fable Meat card, because they're actually running a giveaway at the moment for Fable Meats. I'm not sure if it's still running, but yeah, you can go into the draw to win a month's supply of Fable Meat. It's like a vegan plant-based braised beef substitute. It's actually really good. I've tried it before, would recommend. I actually made a beef bourguignon with that Fable Meat in one of my last, I think 2 What I Eat in a Days ago. If you want to check that, I'll link that up here as well. But anyway, that's everything that's in the box, and to be honest, it's actually like a really good price. It's only $25 for a box, and That's also a really good price to give as a present to a friend. And yeah, if I had a newly vegan friend, I would for sure get them something like this for a birthday present, because, you know, if you want to spend a bit less, you could just get them 1 month, but if you wanted to spend a bit more, you could get like a few months subscription for them, and just like a gift that keeps on giving. I remember when it was my 21st, I got like a similar subscription box thing, and it was just so fun because every month I would get the box, and it's just like the gift that, yeah, keeps on giving. And I'm super excited for this giveaway. Okay, so here are all the details for the giveaway. You have to be following me on Instagram as well as the vegan box. I'll put the links down below to both of our profiles, so you have to go and follow them, and then comment on my Instagram post, which I will have put up by the time I post this video. You just have to tag one of your friends in the comments, and you can enter as many times as you want. You just have to tag a different friend in each comment, and you can also get another entry by sharing the post to your story. So make sure you do that if you're keen to get this box. All the fine details are in the description box below, as well as in the description of the Instagram post. So check out that, you know, for all the terms and conditions. But this is only open to Australian residents, just because with shipping and everything, that's what we're just doing, is just Australian for this. So I apologize if you guys live in America or Europe or anything. Hopefully one day I could do a giveaway that is open to everyone in the world, but for this one, it's just Australians. And yeah, I also just wanted to mention, if you do want to purchase one of these boxes, I also have a discount code, which is Saska10, and I don't receive anything from that. It's just for you guys. So make sure to use that at the checkout if you want to get 10% off. And it's not really that much, I guess, when you're only buying one box, because the boxes are only $25. However, if you are getting a subscription, it does take a significant chunk out of that. So would recommend using it if you're going to buy a box. And make sure to enter the giveaway, because, you know, free box is always good. And if you already have the box yourself, you can always enter the giveaway and give it to a friend. So once you win, you just have to let us know their address, and you can send it to a friend as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're going to enter the competition. I am really excited to do this because it's my first giveaway, as I said, I've ever done. So it'll be really fun, and I'm really excited for one of you to be the lucky winner and get one of these vegan boxes. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!